Hello everybody, Hardcore Gamer here, aka Yagboy from Xbox Live, here to do another unboxing and testing actually of the Linksys E2000. This is a selectable 2.4 or 5 gigahertz router that has 4 gigabit Ethernet ports. So here's the box, here's what it looks like. Bought it at Best Buy. It is $99, but then Walmart had it on sale for $79.99. So Best Buy did do the price match for me for $79.99. So here's both the sides and the top. Of course, it includes the router itself, startup CD-ROM, Ethernet cable, quick installation guide, and of course a power adapter. So let's open this up. And if you're wondering, for the back, it shows all 3 of the routers. The E1000, the E2000, the one I have, and of course the E3000. The difference between the E2000 and the E3000, it says it has optimized for wireless gaming, optimized for streaming HD, it connect and share USB, storage throughout, but then it also has, this one has 3 antennas. This one has 6 antennas built in. This is 2.4 to 5.0 selectable gigahertz, while this is dual band, so it's both 2.4 and 5.0. Okay, let's finish the rest of this unboxing. Okay. Here is the router itself. Really nice, really nice. And let's peel this off. Let's see. So there is the 4 gigabit ports and one for the internet as well. Okay. I want to say the CD. Yep. What else is in here as I'm ripping up this box? Ethernet cable, which I'll never use, and power adapter. Okay, and here's everything. Oh, and Ethernet cable. Okay, and so give me a moment and I'll set this up and then we'll do some speed test, okay? See you in a bit. Okay everybody, I am back, and now, point the camera down, I have the router set up. I did select the 5.0 network, and I can show you right quickly here. If it focuses, and it probably will not. Yep, so it's on the 5 gigahertz network. So let's do some speed tests. Go on my favorite site. Oh, there's Kotaku, of course, love that site. Type in, speed test. And I did not refresh anything, it's all standard. So we're going to go with speedtest.net. And we're going to begin the test now. Las Vegas is where I live, so yeah. And that's really impressive actually. It's 105.63 megabytes per second, and that is going to be for the download speed. Now we're looking at upload, and this is on the 5 gigahertz network, mind you. Okay, and on my upload speed, it is at 4.72 megabytes. And I'll open up another page real quick, and I'll do another one, Speak Easy, which is also a speed test network. I'll go on Speak Easy. Okay, and let's see, I have to pick Los Angeles. That's the closest city to me. And that's realistic, 14.95, because my network speed's at 20, so yeah, that's more realistic. And that's 14.9. That is the download speed. And upload speed, still waiting, is at 6.22 megabytes. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks again, and take care.